what's up guys? Okay, I'm back at Johnny TV and the other time guys. Share ko dahil ang ating vlog today is unbox tayo ng ano guys, all black Rockstone 1 XLR male to 3.5mm guys. Okay, ayan. Okay. Yan guys, powered by Rockstone guys. Ayan. Okay. Okay yan guys. All black to guys, black series. Okay yan. Okay. Rockstone, powered by Rockstone. Okay. Made by Flora Ayan na siya guys, oh. Diba? Dahil lang guys, para makita nyo guys. Okay? Ilalagay natin sa ano guys. Ayan na siya guys, yung inating in-unbox, diba? Ayan guys, all black. Ayan guys. Black series guys, ayan, male, female, male guys, lalaki guys, ayan ayan guys, okay. Made by Proland Audio Cable guys, okay, direct message lang guys, ito for sale, brand new to guys, kaka-unbox to lang guys, okay. Ayan guys, para makita nyo guys, lagay natin dito guys, ayan siya, oh, para makita nyo nanday, lagyan pa natin ng other song guys para may kanta tayo. Ayan, pwede na yan. Okay, back tayo sa ano guys para makita yan guys. Okay, ano to, nasa 1.5 meter guys, yung slim ano niya guys, cables niya guys, all powered by Rockstone guys, Rockstone. Okay, tambay yung pangalan nito guys para makita nyo. Okay, ito yan guys, medyo magalaga, wala tayong cameraman guys. Okay, nasa busy yung cameraman natin, no? Ayan guys, Rockstone, di ba? Kikita nyo ba? Ayan. O, baliktad. Ayan. Ayan guys. Gold plated yung ano niya guys. Mga pin niya guys. Okay. Ayan. Nasa, alam ko to guys. Nasa ano lang siya guys. Haba nito, 1.5 lang guys. 1.5 meters. Okay. Ayan, gold, L angle naman yung kanyang ano guys, 3.5mm guys. Okay, kaya magandang signal to guys. Okay, price nito pala guys is nagre-range ng 550 guys, pero pag pinus ko na to guys for sale, ano natin, pag sure buyer, may discount na mga 550 guys. Okay, 550 guys, 1.5 ano guys, ayan guys, quality guys. Okay, ayan guys, gold plated siya guys, all black siya series. Din yung kagandahan nito guys, yung pinaka cable niya guys is yung pinaka slim ng Rockstone. Okay, ayan guys. Okay, sana naibigan nyo ulit itong aking for sharing today. Baka-bangan nyo guys, i-post ko na ito mga for sale natin guys. Okay, gold plated din yung pin nito guys. Okay, ayan. Then, try natin dito guys. Try natin. Ayan. Ang actual na natin. Ayan nga. Ayan guys. Yung iMix ko pala guys is Curve 8 iMix guys. Ay, try natin guys ha. Ayan, okay. Ayan guys oh. Swak na swak guys eh, di ba? Ayan oh. Walang pag original talaga ayan guys oh. Dali siyang ipaso, ayan guys. Then ayan guys oh. Ayan guys oh. 1.5 meters pala to guys. So ayan yung haba niya. Ayan oh. Kikita niyo yung haba niya, di ba? Slim na slim yung cable nito guys. Ulitin ko guys, halaga nito guys is nagre-range ng 550 guys. Okay, is RP natin. Okay. Siguro pag-push ko guys, unahan lang kasi medyo nag-iisa na lang yung stock natin nito guys. Kita niyo naman ka-unbox ko lang guys. Okay, wait lang guys ha. Itatry natin sa ano guys. Itatry natin i-plug yan para marinig nyo yung actual. Ayan guys. Stop muna natin guys yung laptop natin. Tatry natin i-plug guys kay. Ayan guys. Para makita nyo ng actual guys. Yung ating mga binebenta guys. Okay, with kasamang vlog guys. Ayan okay. Gold plated guys ha. Yung pinaka 3.5mm nya. Okay. Try natin guys dito. Ayan. Sa ating laptop. Ayan. Okay. Then play natin yung laptop natin. Okay. Then ito guys. Ayan na siya guys oh. Ayan guys oh. Ito yung ano pa lang guys na quality yan guys. Loud and clear guys yung audio signal niya guys. Okay. Ano diba? Para marinig nyo guys okay. Yan ang guys actual vlog by Jolly TV and pakita ko yung ayan guys yung audio signal niya guys oh. Sakto lang yung palo ng LED audio lights na guys ha. Iba talaga guys pag Rockstone guys quality talaga guys all my audio XLR connector guys cables ayan naman yung routable guys message lang sa direct message lang guys sa aking channel Johnny TV or in my FB Johnny Gamboa po. Pwede rin kay Prolan audio cable guys ng Aerod Quezon City made by Prolan audio cable guys. Okay. Big shout out kay Prolan audio cable ayan. Ito na pare. Binablog na ni Johnny TV and ayan guys, kita nyo, di ba? Swak na swak guys. Actual yan guys actual vlog. Okay, yung ating mga binebenta guys. Okay? Ayan yung low profile, routable Rockstone naman guys. Ayan. Nasa ano na rin yan guys, YouTube channel ko siguro maya maya i-upload ko na guys. Tinapos ko lang tong 1 XLR male 2. Ayan guys. Swak na swak din sa laptop guys. 3.5 guys, okay. Slim cables guys yung bali nilagay namin ni paring Prolan, Prolan audio cable. Prolan. Ayan, nabubul na naman si Janly guys, okay. I-back natin. Ayan, okay naman yan. Ayan, para one music pa guys. Para ano naman yan guys, black song lang yan, walang problema. Ayan. Para sulit guys, marinig nyo yung ma-appreciate nyo yung kumbaga hinaan natin ko para marinig nyo naman ako. Ayan. Okay. Ayan guys, oh. Ang linis tignan pag yung routable ano guys guys, oh. Slim yung wire niya guys, kaya ulitin ko guys, baka hindi nyo pa nasunda. Male, lalaki guys, male, Black Series, gold plated, 1XLR male to 3.5 guys, itong ating binablog today. Ayan, baka nyo guys, ipupush na natin yan, for sale na yan mga. Okay, ayan, okay. Once again, thank you so much for watching and in my YouTube channel, Janly TV guys. Okay, shoutout na lang natin ang mga ating mga subscribers, followers dyan. Nasa ano na tayo guys, tuloy-tuloy lang guys yung suporta sa aking channel, Janly TV, para mag 1K na tayo guys. Doon na tayo mag-live. And ayan, okay, siyempre powered by Curve It, iMix, and siyempre ang ating dinidemo ngayon ay binablog is demo and vlog na rin, all Black Series, gold plated. Ayan, powered by Roxanne. Okay, hanggang dito na lang guys. Sana naibigan nyo itong aking demo and vlog today about kay 1XLR male to 3.5 plug millimeter guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching and God bless us all.